So in this question, ABCD is a parallelogram. So we have a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. CDEF is a rectangle. What is the total area of the figure? Mr. Sarthak, how should I do this?
I didn't understand the question.
Okay, Mr. Satya.
So first we have to find the area of the parallelogram. So we have to do 5 into 3, which is 15. And then we have to find the area of the rectangle. So we have to do 5 into 2, which is 10. So 10 plus 15 is 25 centimeters square.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
Sorry, meter square. Yes, centimeter. Yeah.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir, I just understood that it was the whole. I thought it was only the.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
See, we are aware of the formula of a parallelogram. It is base into height. Do we agree? Now in parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5 centimeter, again this will be 5 centimeter. Do we agree? Mr. Sarthak?
Yes.
So once we have found this area is 15 centimeter square, then this is a simpler area to calculate. This will be 5 into 2, which will be 10 centimeter square. So 15 plus 10 would be equal to 25 centimeter square. Do we agree to this or not?
Yes.
Great.